Hi, hello guys. Welcome to my channel, Captain Alas YouTube channel. Guys, today magke-carry out ako ng testing ng radio ko. For your information guys, every week meron kaming testing ng mga GMDSS equipment namin, mga radio. Marami kaming equipment dito sa bridge. Isa lang tong GMDSS portable radios dapat naming tinetesting. Kaya samahan nyo akong mag-carry out ng actual testing. So guys, andito kami sa Anchorage, no. So gusto kong testing yan kasi itong radio na to ginagamit in case of emergency, no. So gusto kong testingin ng actual sa barko, no. So merong papakita, no. Kita nyo yun. So may barko doon na nasa Anchorage. So try kong tawagan para magkaroon ako ng contact, no, para malaman ko kung gumagana ba tong aking radio. So wag na nating patagalin, no. Try natin tawagan. So ang name ng vessel is Ilara. Motor vessel Ilara CMA-CGM Mombasa. Tingnan natin kung sasagot. Ilara, Mombasa.
Oh no!
Motor vessel Ilara CMA-CGM Mombasa. So ayaw sumagot. So guys, ayaw sumagot ng isang barko, no? Baka busy. Minsan nangyayari naman yung ganun. Kaya try nating tawagan yung isang barko. So yung isang barko na yun guys, no, nasa unahan ko. Yun ang subukan kong tawagan. Guys, tawagan ko yung isang barko, ano, kasi yung isa ayaw sumagot, baka busy. Spellnikin, CBCG Mombasa, Channel 16.
CMA-CGM Mombasa, Spellnikin replying.
Captain, pwede yung channel 06, please?
06.
Ayaw sumagot. Spellnikin, CMA-CGM Mombasa.
Yes, Mombasa, go ahead. This is Spellnikin replying.
Captain, good afternoon. I'm just testing my portable radio, GMDSS. So, weekly and monthly tests. How do you copy me, over?
I am reading you loud and clear. Loud and clear, I am reading you.
Thank you very much, Captain, for your cooperation. And I have a good watch. Back to 16 out.
16, and may I ask you one question? What time your bursting schedule? Because after you, we are going.
As per port control advice, Captain, it's around 2000, over.
Okay, 2000. Okay, copy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Back to 16 out.
16 out.
So guys, successful yung testing ko, no. So ibig sabihin na sigurado ako na magagamit ko tong two-way radio ko, GMDSS portable radio, in case of emergency. Anyway, marami kaming radio dito, no. May base radio, pero isa lang tong GMDSS portable radio. Meron akong 3 piraso nito, no. So nire-record namin to na evidence na nag-testing kami, ano, and chine-check to ng port state control. Ito yung mga radio ko, ano, yan, tigi-tigisan ng charger. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.